Greetings and welcome to our channel again. Today, we're introducing you to the eagerly awaited 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, which will take you on an intimate tour of the future of luxury travel. Imagine traveling without boundaries, where freedom and elegance coexist at every stop. Although Mercedes-Benz does not manufacture motorhomes directly, top bodybuilders were able to make this masterpiece using the dependable 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter as a platform. It is anticipated to have a selection of potent 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engines, OM654, with a smooth 9G tronic automatic gearbox and 170 to 211 PS of torque. The 2026 Sprinter's exterior has a more contemporary design twist while maintaining its aggressive and practical form. A classy, adventure-ready appearance is produced by the Mercedes-Benz grille, sleek LED lighting, and sharp lines. This RV will stand out wherever it goes because to its aerodynamic wheels and high-end paint choices. As you enter, you'll see a sophisticated and ergonomically reworked dashboard. The focal point is a sizable, integrated dual display that houses the newest MBUX infotainment system and a fully digital instrument cluster. You may use the Hey Mercedes voice control to control a number of features without taking your eyes off the road. Soft touch materials, attractive wood or metal accents, and changeable ambient lighting create a sophisticated and modern interior ambience, offering a driving experience equivalent to a Mercedes-Benz premium car. The living area is a luxurious and cozy haven. When parked, its roomy form optimizes living space owing to a unique slide-out function. The utmost in comfort is provided by sofas and chairs with electrical adjustment, massaging, and heating features, and upholstery made of high-end leather or luxurious textiles. The ideal area for working or eating is created by a dining table that is simple to fold up or extend. You will always have the greatest view thanks to the large panoramic windows, and every moment of leisure will be accompanied by an integrated entertainment system that includes a surround sound system and a widescreen smart TV. Entering the bedroom space, you'll discover a tranquil and opulent haven. Select a king-size or queen-size bed with an orthopedic mattress of superior quality to guarantee a good night's sleep. All of your personal possessions are kept in order thanks to a roomy built-in closet with internal lighting and extra storage drawers. Blackout curtains and soft ambient lighting offer total seclusion, resulting in a cozy bedroom ambience befitting a five-star hotel. In addition to being practical, this motorhome's bathroom serves as a place to unwind. It has a porcelain toilet, a large walk-in shower with strong water pressure, and a sophisticated sink with a high-end faucet. A touch of luxury is added by countertops composed of high-end materials like marble or quartz. Comfort and usefulness are guaranteed with an LED-lit mirror and effective ventilation. Designed for the adventurous home cook, the kitchen is the focal point of this motorhome. A full-size refrigerator, freezer, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, and even a small dishwasher are among the high-end stainless steel equipment that come with it. Ample prep space is provided by countertops composed of natural stone or premium composite materials, and well-thought-out storage cabinets keep all of the goods and utensils in order.